Welcome back to another Apptech Guru tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can debloat your Windows 10 or Windows 11 in under 2 minutes. So let's get started right away. Now, usually if you wish to debloat your Windows, you will need to go into the installed application and then manually delete the applications one by one. And as you guessed it, this will take a lot of time. Therefore, in order to remove all of these softwares at once, open up your web browser and in the address bar type in github.com/ravfire/win11debloat. I will also put a link in the description, so make sure to use the link that is provided. Once you are inside the GitHub page, if you scroll down, you will find all of the instructions. So let's just follow this instruction. Go ahead and search for PowerShell using the Windows Spotlight and then run it as administrator. Now, once the PowerShell is opened up, you can simply copy the script or command that is given inside this page, which I will also put in the description. Simply paste the script and then press enter. Now the debloater tool is tested and safe to run. However, I must tell you that you are still proceeding forward at your own risk. You may proceed with the default mode or the custom setup. Click on custom setup, from which you can select all of the default apps. Make sure to double check to see that important applications are not deleted. If you choose the default mode, you will not be able to choose the specific applications that will be removed. So once you have unchecked every application that you might need, click on the next button. Now you have various other settings as well, which include the privacy settings. Now by default, most of these settings are good. This will remove various tips as well as ads from your device. Make sure to go through every option that is checked to see if any unwanted changes will be made to your device. After choosing your desired option, click on the next button. And now you may choose to apply changes for all users or only the current user. Make sure to also enable the Create a System Restore Point option and finally click on Apply Changes. This will now begin to debloat and remove all of the chosen applications. As soon as it is completed, you will see the Close option. Go ahead and click on it, and now the cleanup is finished. Make sure to restart your device for the changes to fully take effect. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to debloat your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.